Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be learning about how to download MapleStory on PC or laptop. So this video is going to be pretty simple, so make sure to follow along. First of all, from your browser of your choice, we are going to be simply heading over to steam.com, which is a gaming platform. So head over to Steam, make sure that you have already created an account on this platform. So here, as you can see, I am not currently logged in, but I'm going to be showing you the process on how to get it. To basically download it, you're obviously going to be having an account created. So simply click on search and enter in here MapleStory. By the way, the game is completely free to play, so you can see we have the game on the very first link. Click on that, and now we are going to be scrolling a little bit down and click on play game, and it is going to be added onto your library. So on Steam, basically you have your library from where you just collect all the games that you have purchased, or just you own them. So yeah, that's how you can get it completely for free on Steam. And by the way, this is completely 100% official method. The game is uploaded here by original creators. So yeah, that's how you can get MapleStory on PC. And thank you so much for watching, and see you around the next couple of videos. Make sure to tell us about what type of videos you want to see upcoming next on our channel, and thank you so much.